I'm gonna pull the fire alarm today. No one will ever know. I'll just run back to class as soon as it goes off, or I'll just run out of the building like everyone else does. Hey bro, have you heard? Heard what? That at the city of Pandena, one of the schools, someone had pulled the fire alarm, and the fire alarm had to activate, and everyone escaped the building. Well, I hope it doesn't happen to us. Rah, 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 rah. Oh no, the fire alarm's on. We have to escape. Right, everyone, single file, single file. Right, everyone go. I probably should pull that test one. Maybe it'll stop it. Uh-oh. Yay, the fire's gone. Sorry, teacher. I'm the one who did it. It's okay, Timmy. Just remember to never pull the fire alarm again. Okay, miss. Goodbye. Goodbye.